What is going on, K-Swiss Army? I just got a new box in, so let's get into the shoes. Alright, so K-Swiss just did a restock on the Court Pro 2, and they had some colorways that they were out of my size in, and I finally got a few pairs in. So the Court Pro 2 is a great shoe. I think it's like, kind of like, you know, the old school is to Vans, the Court Pro 2 is to K-Swiss. And the shoe's been around for a long time, but they always come up with new colorways. And I really like the way that they came out with these, and they were so popular they sold out pretty quick, and I lost out on them. They restocked a few, and I found that they came out with the sizes that I'm in. So this is the first one, and this is the Court Pro 2 CMF, which is basically the memory foam liner on the inside. This blue memory foam liner is, I feel, one of the best, most comfortable liners on the inside of any of the shoes that K-Swiss puts out. So whenever they say CMF at the end of the, they have a memory foam insole. So this is just a simple gray and black stripe. What's different about this and the Classic is instead of having a three-piece toe, it just has some stitching in here. It's a little cleaner. It looks like a three-piece toe, but it's more of a clean look, and I really, really like this colorway. So just a gray and black stripe. Then on the tongue, there's a gray and black shield, and on the back, a simple K-Swiss. One of my favorite things, and you guys all know, I'm a sucker for gum soles. So a really clean, nice-looking gum sole shoe. What a great summer sneaker. I can't wait to wear these. And what I really like is that they use a grained leather with a really, really nice feel to them. So really, I don't know if you guys can see just the quality of like the grain in there. So see if you can check that out. Hoping it'll focus on that. So, all right, next up, same exact shoe, different colorway. This is the Classic Blue, White, Black. So when you see these in the kswiss.com, you will not really see the black details on this sneaker. And so this is one of the reasons I like to do these kind of unboxing reviews. Let me move my light around here so you get a little better view of this. There we go. So one of the things that you don't see until you see my reviews is the black line detail that is under the 5 stripes. There's a really faint kind of a black line on the outside edges. Also, the eyelets are black. It's got a black sole, but a white midsole. Same thing here with a K-Swiss on the back. The black shield on the blue. Black sole, white midsole. Really cool looking colorway. The same thing with this three-piece toe. There isn't really a three-piece toe on this shoe. They use a stitching. And hopefully you guys can see the grain on this leather. But it is just super premium stuff. This is a $55 shoe. If you want to buy a shoe that's under $100, that's going to last you, you know, a year, and if you've got 3 or 4 great pairs of shoes, pick a great colorway that you like and just go with these. I really, really like this new colorway. I'm pretty sure this is actually a new colorway. I haven't seen these before. Really, really excited to wear these. Third up. Now this is a super classic shoe. This is the standard Court Pro 2 white, and then they have what's called blue and red. So the only blue and red that you're going to find that's blue and red together is going to be on the shield on the tongue. The inside of the liner is blue, right? And then this heel tab is blue and white. See if that'll focus in on that. There we go. Once again, really cool, premium looking leather. A real nice grain look to them. This is a really nice, clean, classic shoe. The only thing that would be better with this, I feel, would be a gum sole. There's the K-Swiss Classic with the 3-toe. And then it's got the same blue. It's actually, this is like a Durabuck on the back. This has a leather insole as well. This has a orange and blue K-Swiss shield on the front. But this is what I'm talking about. Just a nice clean gum sole. What's nice about gum soles is they look clean even when they're dirty. You take this shoe out and walk out to your car and you've already made a mess out of it. You know, most people aren't going to see the bottom of your shoe, so why does that matter? It really doesn't matter all that much. But when you've got as many shoes as I have, you kind of get a little bit picky about things. But still, a great colorway. This is the white, classic blue, and red. So blue shield on the back. The only red on the shoe that I see is on that shield on the tongue. Last pair, last but not least. This shoe has been out of stock from K-Swiss for at least 2 years, and they finally brought it back. So this is a black shoe with a dark blue navy sole. Color is black, stargazer, and high risk red. So this red is more, you know, if you're looking at Angelus reds, this is that really bright red, and it's actually a really cool color. And that the stargazer is a kind of a, it's not teal, but it's a dark blue with a little bit of green tints to it. And on this black, it is just a killer look. They use that same stitching color on the shield on the tongue, and then that heel cap is that same color. That's the stargazer. Now you might remember this from a review I just did a couple of weeks ago. Let me take a look, and I'm gonna bring that shoe out to you so you can see what that color is. This is the ST229, and this is that gray with the stargazer heel tab. And then you'll notice it uses that same color in the stitching on this shoe. That shield, the heel tab, and then the stitching of the shield on the tongue is all done in that stargazer blue. I think it's a very unique color. Something I haven't seen on any other brand that I'm aware of, and something that is very popular, especially with the men's colorway this time of year, and also maybe, you know, this year. Last year's color of the year, Pantone color of the year, was the coral. And as you notice, the Gary V 005, this is one of the 300. This is 252. I also have 270 and 257. So I have 3 of the size 11.5s. But that coral is like the color that was really popular in 2019. And I'm going to take the bet right now, dollar for dollar, that this Stargazer is going to be the men's color for 2020. So I wouldn't bet every dollar I have on it, but I see that, you know, when I start to see more than 1 or 2 shoes with that same color on it, I start to notice, you know, trends going on. So this is actually a really cool color too. I really have enjoyed this. Can't wait to wear any of these. And now I'm going to shoot you some B-roll. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is Harper Explores. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on Instagram at Harper Explores. Once again, thanks for watching the K-Swiss Court Pro 2s.